Hey everyone, so I broke 1,000 subscribers, super happy about that. One way that I wanted to celebrate that in a way is I wanted to start a coaching program for UpWork, for people that are looking to do UpWork or getting into UpWork or want to get their UpWork better. I feel like that's one topic I could probably speak very, very well on, and how to be successful on UpWork, because I am in the top 3% of UpWork technically. I am top rated plus, and I feel like I could, offer people a lot of help in terms of proposals, sales, specifically for web design or freelancing. Even if you're hiring on Upwork, I feel like I'm pretty damn good at that as well. I've built out my own team of video editors, web designers myself. But before doing that, I would highly recommend at least freelancing first, and really understanding web design websites first, doing it first before. I honestly, I feel like I did it for too long. Okay, so there's a certain point of diminishing returns, and that's why I think coaching is so powerful. Because if I would have gotten coaching 5 years before this, I would probably be a millionaire by now. I really think that. I have almost $100,000 in earnings on Upwork and all that stuff, and top rated plus and 5-star reviews. But that was a, bumbling through the dark process. It was really hard, and I would love to help anyone over that gap as soon as possible, or for you to get over that gap as soon as possible. And the best way to do that is to pay for coaching. I have 3 coaches right now. One for a dating coach, I have a workout coach, and then I have a business coach. And now that I've kind of gotten that, I'm kind of looking everywhere to invest more money into coaching, if it seems right or at the right time. So I would highly recommend, and it doesn't have to be me, of course. I mean, I think I could help a certain type of person, person that is, that is a go-getter. They're hustling, they're freelancing, but they can't break that Upwork niche. They're just like not sure what to do on the proposal, their profile, their video, right? So and it's just all kind of up in the air, and maybe you've gotten 1 or 2 nibbles here and there. You're just not sure what to do or how to really break into Upwork. I could definitely help you with that. So I'm gonna put a calendar link below. And please, feel free to, we'll have a 15-minute consultation, and it'll be a free consultation for now because I just want to talk to people, but it'll be 15 minutes only. And then we can talk about different coaching options. I right now I'm only going to have 5 slots because there's a lot going on with my business, but from a very transparent view, I think it'll help me a lot too. Get better at what I do, and that's what I've seen with coaching programs. That's what I've seen with coaching itself, and I really want to do that. So let me know in the comment section below if this makes sense. Please also subscribe. I'm very happy about the 1,000 subscriber. I think it's awesome. And book a session with me, 15-minute consult. We can see if we're a right fit for each other, and let's do it. So great to talk with y'all, and we'll see you soon.